Sound of the street.
Clap, 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 clap. I'm breaking down boxes, been at S so long since. Back in the days when Braves tried out their first pack of Watsits. Smarties on some kiddie shit. Listen, B.I.G, I'm on my biggie shit. And I'm reaching for them same P's that Diddy gets. My haters right now smoking thousands of cigarettes. Might give you cold sweats, the Star 9 is so tense. Now we singing to the law, LC. And there's plenty brothers hating on the boy. Wouldn't be surprised if there was money on my neck. It's money that I get, you can't tell me shit. My minimum security, shanked by the hip. My maximum security, shells in the clip. Wanna act hard till he sees the ting a dip. Wanna act hard till I bring it out the whip. Make a you upscotch a fucking skip. Clap, 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 clap. I turn a huffer box in the order to straight cash. I got about a 9 stuff behind the speed dash. Cakes is flooding the back roads, that's the news flash. Before you come around air, you need an old pass. Unless you're coming for a fix at the A class. The more money you get, the quicker time pass. That's real talk, these brothers talk this shit, but will they really walk? It's real life, these brothers yapping back their guns, but will they really ride? I got a new big thing you can't identify. Throw a brother off the strip, make that nigga fly. Or throw the teeth in the clip, make the fizzy rise. Don't know but them youths, they some dodgy guys.
Sound of the street.